In this video, I will show you a very common self-bill scenario, which is we pay commission to agent. Usually, we will create a payment voucher to pay the sales agent. To make things easy, we have made some changes in our payment voucher, where the pay to, usually you type in the name. But now because of the invoice, we have enhanced this session to allow you to choose tax entity. So you can choose the tax entity and key in paycom for April. And I choose my commission account. Imagine that this person has already earned 1K commission paid in April. Payment through bank. After that, click save. So move on to Malaysia e-invoice self-bill document. We can click the down arrow beside new and click on copy from payment voucher. We can search our payment voucher and click on it. As you can see, all the details will be copied over here, the name and tax entity, and you can actually see the supplier info over here. Because the TIN number is not provided, the general TIN will be used. And you can also see the frequency of billing. This is not a compulsory field, but you can choose to fill in as well. Of course, the date and document type. Is this a self-bill invoice, credit note, debit note, or refund note? You can choose the type over here and supplier invoice number. Since this is a self-bill commission, there is no purchase invoice involved, so you may leave it blank. And you can even look at the source document over here. You can click on it and see this is from which document. The details will also be copied over here. The only thing that you need to do is correct the classification code. Because we do not know what are you self-billing, so you will need to always make sure the correct classification code. In this case, it's a payment commission, so we will choose 037 monetary payment to agents. After that, you can click approve and send this self-bill. The e-invoice status will become valid. Once it is validated, you can also find it in your My Invoice portal. You can also see it over here as well. The supplier is from Ong Jason and the buyer is Autocount Sendram Berhad. You can also export PDF and send to the person that you wish to. And QR code will also be included at the bottom. This is overall how can you perform a self-bill in cloud accounting.